realize we're time lapsing right now. So
No, I'm not time lapsing anything.
I am.
We're on the wrong side. Here we go. Talk about plays, man.
Yeah, I would have made it, but it's like all the websites running.
Nobody panic. Go home, team. Turn up. Here comes the dice. Yeah, this is what the front times. Does he actually have a castle? Yes!
Corresponder, Dean Kamen.
Yes!
And I, Woody Fuller. And I, Don Bosi. Whose castle is this?
This is the stronghold of the first robotics competition game design community.
Don't tell them that. We are here on a quest to seek out the 2016 game.
Well, I'll ask us, but I don't give it to me too keen. We've already got one, you see?
What? He said they've already got one. Are you sure they've already got one?
Oh, yes, it's very nice.
Well, can we come in and have a look?
Of course not, it's a secret.
Is there somebody else up there we can talk to?
No. Now go away, or I shall be forced to use this!
A red card? You wouldn't dare!
This isn't working. Kate, what do we have in the kit parts this year to help us defend the stronghold?
We've got a lot of good stuff to build a robot, but I don't know. Let me see. We've got bumper parts, a lot of great vouchers, but curses, I wish we brought that rubber ducker chicken.
Yeah, never mind. We'll get to the kit parts later. Fetch
The goat.
the goat!
We shall.
Nice.
Are you ready to reveal First Stronghold? First Stronghold is such a unique game, but I believe it deserves a very unique countdown procedure. And I've got Casey here to help me count this down. Thou shalt count to 3, no more, no less. 3 shall be the number thou shalt count, and the number of the counting shall be 3. 4 shalt thou not count, nor count thou 2, excepting that thou then proceed to 3. 5 is right out. Once the number 3, being the third number to be reached, we shall release the challenge. Ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 5.
No! 3!
Yeah, this is gonna suck. Good luck! That's so much Lexan in the middle. That's so expensive.
Welcome to the first robotics competition and the 2016 tournament challenge, First Stronghold. The Alliance quest is to breach the opponent's defenses, known as the Outer Works, weaken their tower with boulders, and capture. The low bar in position 1 is permanent. The defense in position 3 changes periodically by audience selection. Opponents are savvy and will be strategically selecting the remaining 3 defenses to strengthen their outer works well in line for their next match. There are more than 10,000 possible field configurations. Robots start in the neutral zone and may have 1 boulder each. Additional boulders will be placed on the midline and in each castle. Alliances may assign a spy bot to start in their opponent's courtyard and a human player to occupy the spy station to signal intelligence about activities on the far side of the field to their castle. The first 15 seconds of the match, the robots are autonomous and may earn points by reaching their opponent's outerworks, crossing defenses, and scoring boulders in goals. During the following 2-minute and 15-second teleoperated period, human drivers remotely control their robots. They retrieve boulders, overcome opponent defenses, and score boulders and goals from their opponent's courtyard. The first time a robot fully crosses a defense, some of the base lights will turn off, indicating that defense's strength is reduced. On the second crossing, all lights turn off, indicating that defense is considered damaged. Once any 4 of the 5 opponent defenses are considered damaged, the outerworks are breached and the alliance receives points. Human players deliver boulders to their secret passage through the castle wall. Alliances may have only 1 robot at a time in their own courtyard to defend their castle. As boulders are scored, the tower loses strength. Once enough boulders are scored in the opponent's tower, the opponent's flag will drop, indicating the tower has been weakened and can now be captured at the end of the match by surrender.
Oh my god, there's so much going on.
During the last 20 seconds, robots may ascend to reach the tower rungs and scale the tower for additional points. If an alliance captures their opponent's tower at the end of the match, their flag is raised and the alliance earns more points. The alliance with the highest score at the end of the match earns the win. Step into your castle, proudly raise your team standard, and face the challenge ahead of this year's first robotics competition. First, Stronghold.
What just happened? Wow, this is going to be so great. Stronghold is going to be chaos. Our team is looking really forward to this. All the defenses and all of the objectives that you have to complete. We've got real advantage by the fact we've got so many teams participating in our collective practice field. We'll be able to get that together in a hurry and try out all the different defensive pieces together. Man, my mind is blown. I've got 1,000 mechanisms going and I can't wait to see what our students come up with.
This season of Robotics will be very complex, but I think it'll be very fun too.
Also, Ultimate Ascent 2.0. Anyone? No? Okay. Good luck, teams.
So the drawbridge and the Sally...
Sally something, yeah.
The Sally Port.
Sally Port.
Sally Port. Save, but it is not symmetrical. At least we weren't sure.
It's random.
It says it's random.
Random.